Okay, here's the master bedroom, and it's already got the loops in the ceiling for you. Sam decided that he wanted the window closed, so he closed it with carpet tiles. Out the bedroom, we have the master bath. There's the tub and a window, lots of illumination. There's the back door and the view therefrom. It's got a porch and everything. And then we come into this room is under construction. Got the water heater in there. Got the right junction box, but that's just a temporary light. Some of the walls are done, floor is not. Here's the hallway. Light switches work. Here's the living room. This area is done. I've got all the power in except for the stove. Lights. Well, that one's installed. The other light, which is over the stove, is not yet installed. Lovely bay window. Pile of construction nonsense, and that wall is not done. There's the refrigerator, which is open so it stays dry. Got some furniture in here. The walls are not done. Let's go out to the front porch, where we have a stove. Well, actually it's a grill and a sink. That's probably where the washer is gonna go, maybe a dryer. Otherwise, we'll just use strings like everybody else. Some more insulation, more scrap lumber, work table. It's the air compressor. Right now all we do with that is run a hose, air hose. There's your work tent and a storage truck. Just looking in that window. Here's the back. Got a lovely back porch. Not being used at the moment. It's got a wood pile. That'll work. In the distance, you can see a little blue dot. That's your well. There's the air conditioner for the master bedroom. It's a window from the bath. Got a plug out here too, so if you want to run some lights or something, there's a plug. Out here, that goes to the septic tank. Brand new leach field out here. So yeah, that's the 25-cent tour. Enjoy.